Ang pagiging maputi ba ang sukatan ng kagandahan? Sa mundo ba ng modeling, ganito rin ba ang pamantayan? Kaugnay niya, makakapanayam natin si August Aznar, isang casting and managing director ng Chiefs Star Entertainment Management Production Company, at si Kia Alvarez, isang ramp model. Magandang umaga sa inyo.
Morning.
Good morning po.
Well, of course, ang news peg nito, yung FHM cover ni Bella Padilla, which was called racist, no? Dahil medyo mestiza siya, maputi siya, at she was surrounded by brown-skinned or dark-skinned models, at yung spotlight nasa kanya, and then may tagline doon sa magazine cover, stepping out of the shadows. Of course, yung mga nag-isip nito, siguro hindi nila iniisip na maaring sabihin racist ito. Pero being in the modeling industry, in the beauty industry, ikaw, do you think it was racist? It was deserving, yung cover na yan, it was deserving of that kind of reaction? Tingin mo?
Actually, at first glance, kasi hindi naman, I think yun yung first thing that will come to mind. At first glance. Kasi, syempre, white-skinned model amidst dark-skinned ones. Pero, if you look at it, kasi parang inaano lang parang siyang symbolism na contrast between white and black, and then it's symbolizing something. I don't think na
yun ang intention.
It meant, yun yung intention. But then, kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao magigets ka agad na hindi yun yung intention. It's always yung first glance, kung ano yung makikita nila, yun yung mai-interpret nila kaagad. So, yun, parang...
Okay. I mean, siguro naman, hindi naman nila ini-intend na maging racist yun. Pero may... Some people are analyzing na parang signify lang niya yung undercurrent sa ating kultura na mas binibigyan pa rin ng halaga yung mapuputi and almost and many other things aside from skin color over the dark skin or brown skin or even the natural kayumanggi. Ikaw, August, do you think may ganun pang racist undertone sa ating kultura, sa ating lipunan?
Actually, Kuya Howie, itong issue na to is napakagandang opportunity for us para makilala talaga natin yung tunay na kulay yung kagandahan ng tunay na kulay natin mga Pilipino, no? For me kasi, I believe that there's no misfortune when it comes to color or culture, no? For me, it's the only the society and that the one who are considering the other way. So apparently, we are in the type of the society is where we are.
So, ganun pa rin. I mean, yun ang ideal, no? Na sana pantay-pantay lahat ng mga skin colors, no? Lahat ng mga lahi, ano? Pero sa industriya ba, mas nagkakaroon ng opportunities pa rin yung white-skinned, fair-skinned na mga modelo or talents over the kayumanggi?
Well, I cannot say na mas nagkakaroon ng opportunity ang mga white collars, no? Kasi depende sa approach nung konsepto ng proyekto kung ano yung kailangan nung project. Like for example, for me in my management, hindi ko pagsisiksikan yung isang talent ko kung ang peg ng isang proyekto is puti ang kailangan or dark ang kailangan. So parang it's a matter of depende kung ano yung approach ng isang proyekto.
Okay, pero let's face it. I mean, karamihan ng mga nasa cover ng mga magazine natin, ng mga fashion at beauty magazines, ay mapuputi, no? Na modelo. Ikaw, do you think na may racial preferences sa industriya natin?
Depende rin kasi actually like Sir August said, depende rin dun sa concept na na binibigay ng clients or kasi actually, for me, hindi naman siya sa racist, kundi parang kung ano lang yung kailangan ng concept, kung ano lang.
Ano naging experience mo? What kind of jobs do you get? You're somewhere in between, no?
Yeah, somewhere in between. Usually I do kasi portfolio shoots. But
anong ibig sabihin para sa mga ordinary manonood? Ano yung portfolio shoot?
Portfolio shoot, it's para sa portfolio ng mga photographers. So usually minsan kasi yung kinukuha nila. Posing different, usually...
Sexy outfits, beach, or in studios?
Studios, outdoor, usually. Tapos, high fashion. Iba-iba rin siya, actually. But then, Ano kasi, yung sa color, nandun din talaga yung discrimination. There are some people who have actually told me na, magpaputi ka kasi,
Ganon.
sayang yung beauty mo. Parang ganun yung, parang ganun yung
Anong
nilalabas.
reaction mo? I mean, may, na-tempt ka ba na, kasi may mga whitening products, no, sa market.
Yes, actually. Pero hindi talaga ako na-tempt, not even once. Kasi parang, kumbaga, like, pinag-uusapan nga namin last time na ang exotic na beauty ng Filipina, yung pagka-morena, napakahirap i-achieve.
So,
ng
proud
ganun
ka
na
sa kulay mo?
So,
Proud ka sa-
proud ako sa kulay ko. Parang, every time na sinasabihan ako na magpuputi, talagang just flat out, I say na, hindi, gusto ko yung kulay ko eh. Hindi naman siguro bagay sa akin maging maputi.
Okay.
So, yun.
That's a good note to end on. Okay, maraming salamat, August Aznar at model Kia Alvarez.